Let's take a trip back to 1990 and check out the Avro Lancaster BIII model kit in 1/72nd scale. This kit is part of the Battle of Britain 50th anniversary memorial flight, and this kit is extra special. The box front is really cool, featuring the BBMF emblem at the bottom right. One unique thing about this kit is that the sprues are in black, which was quite common for Lancaster models back in the day. Have you ever built a Lancaster with black sprues? Do let me know in the comments below. Despite the sprues being black and a little bit dusty, this kit still feels quite modern, like something you'd find in a current Airfix box. The tool for this kit dates to 1980 and has been used in various Airfix models ever since, though usually in a more preferable grey plastic. The clear parts are in great condition, but due to the age of the kit, they have started to cloud up just a little bit. And if you look closely enough, you might even spot a fingerprint etched onto one of the clear pieces. This time we have not just one, but two decals to apply to our Lancaster. The first one is on a small blue background, but the second decal is yellowed quite a bit, almost making the decals look bright green. Well, that wraps up our look at the Battle of Britain 50th anniversary memorial flight Avro Lancaster BIII in 1/72nd scale. So, would you build it? Have you built it before? Share your thoughts. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because the next retro unboxing is going to be a real treat. I'm sure you'll love it. We'll see you next time.